This is from your Boeing family.
Yeah.
We appreciate it. I know it's a hard time, but this is what we can do for you.
Okay, thank you.
So we want to let you know that you still have a family here.
Thank you so
We
much.
love you so much, and it's hard, to lose someone, but we're behind you.
Yeah.
And we'll support you anyhow.
I feel all your love,
Yes.
guys, but
Thank
I
you.
cannot.
And
Thank
Kat,
you. It's not enough.
Thank you for
Guys,
doing
get in
this for Cecile and family.
Get in a picture.
We really appreciate it.
Everybody that helped her. Is it video?
It's a video.
Yeah,
Thank
here's a
you
video,
so much.
and that's the mind behind it.
Oh, perfect. Thank
Yeah.
you.
Billy Bones.
Really bad us.
And thank you for everyone. Thank you, Andrea. Thank you, Jonathan.
No problem.
The big dog. Woo!